I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make it hit. So, hey guys. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Okay, welcome back, my nana ladies and gents. How y'all doing? What's up? What's good? Okay, what's up? What's good? So, first off, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks to those that watch me and support this channel. You are highly appreciated. I love you very much. So, let's get into it. So, today I went to ULTA and I was like, let me just do a haul since I'm going, you know. I had an ULTA gift card for Christmas. I'm just now using it. It's now March and I got this in December, so I was like, let me just use this gift card, you know, and I can show you guys what I got from ULTA, so that's what I'm doing. Now in this video, you're going to see a lot of orange. For some reason, I've been obsessed with the color orange. Let me know if y'all like the color orange too, because it's lit. So let me tell you, this smells so good. This watermelon body scrub, Tree Hut. It's supposed to be natural. You know, this channel was all about natural products. Even though I just bought some lashes. You know, I bought the lashes. I bought the lashes because I want to try it out for you guys because I think it'll be good to try it out. You know, because I'm all about like trying new things. Why not? If it doesn't hurt, why not? So you got this watermelon body shea sugar scrub. But it smells really good. Can you guys smell it through the screen? Don't you just want to eat it? So, I also got some Aqua Lashes. Got that wall lashes. So yeah, these can be applied with water from what I see on this box. So I did want to do a separate video on this, like water versus the what you call it? Not marker, the eyeliner. So eyeliner versus water lashes. Me personally, I'm not a lash person, but I was like, because I don't like regular lashes. They pull your eyelashes out because you gotta put the glue on there and then it be stuck there for life. It takes too long to take it off. So I was like, let me try out these magnetic and Aqua Lashes. Let's see how it works. Let's see what it do. Then I also got this foot file, you know, to get all the crusty crap off your foot, the dry skin, you know. They want to make sure you don't get in this box. That says you're not getting this foot file. We gonna make sure it's tied down. I can't get this out of here. But here is the foot scrub thing. It has like a, excuse my lips. But yeah, it's like really, it's really rough. I guess it's a good thing because you want to get the crap off your foot. And then, ooh. Is this granite? Look at that. I don't even know if you can like really tell what kind of material this is. Like, it's like a really rough, rocky material. And it come off on my finger a little bit. This should get all the crap off my foot. I would say if you want me to do a review, but I don't think I want to see me do that. Okay, so I showed you guys the microfiber towel, but I'm gonna open it and let you see what it looks like. And I'll try to explain the feeling. I will do a separate review on her products. I did buy her, well, I got it as a gift. I got her conditioner and her shampoo. Let me know if y'all want to see that video, because I'm about to do my hair in a minute, because my hair needs to be washed and retwisted. So let me know, y'all. Let me know. Okay, so this is the microfiber towel. That's what it looks like. It feels very sticky. It smells weird. Man, nothing much to say, you know. I'll see how it works when I do my hair. Because when I do my hair, I normally use a t-shirt. So we'll see if this works better. Because you should never use a towel to dry your hair. Okay, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't damage your hair like that. Don't do that. But I think you guys should invest in maybe a microfiber towel. I mean, if you don't want to use a t-shirt, you should invest in one. I don't know how it works yet, but I'll let you guys know. It's good for kinky curly textures. I think you use any texture, but her stuff is specifically made for textured hair. So we'll see. It says it's supposed to maintain and contain the drippage, boo-boo. It's supposed to contain the drippage, okay? So we gonna see if that's true. I'm gonna open this because I want to see what it feels like. Let's see. How do you open it? Oh, and I'll show you this right here. So it's supposed to exfoliate as it washes your skin. I don't know. I'll probably do a review. I gotta remember to do this. I gotta write this down because I'd be forgetting. But it feels like it's gonna get some dirt off your skin. Let me turn this light down so you guys can see. But yeah, this is what the fabric looks like. It's kind of like a rough fabric, but it feels kind of good on my skin when I'm rubbing against my skin. We'll have to see. And it has like a strap, you know, so you can be bougie in the shower. You can be like getting all the dirt off. Okay, so that's it. Exfoliating hydro sponge, yeah. Bust away dead skin cells to remove and restore skin's natural glow. You know, we gotta have our melanin popping, okay? Antimicrobial, need some big words. It's an antimicrobial weed, helps to keep product fresh. Allergy and dermatologist tested. We gonna see. But this is the brand. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini haul. Okay. This is my favorite thing out of everything, just because I like to sniff stuff. Sniffing stuff is fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. The next one will probably be maybe a hair video. I don't know. But let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section down below. And I'll do my best to do those videos. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Goofies. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video.
Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make it sit.